10-minute fat-burning HIIT workout for beginners. Today, we have an exciting workout for all the beginners out there who are looking to burn fat and get fit. We have a quick and effective 10-minute HIIT, high-intensity interval training, workout that will get your heart pumping and your body sweating. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the HIIT workout, let's warm up our muscles to prevent injuries. Start with some dynamic stretches like arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists to loosen up your joints and increase your heart rate. Great job! Now that we're warmed up, it's time to dive into the fat-burning HIIT workout. We'll be doing a series of exercises that will target multiple muscle groups and keep your heart rate elevated for maximum calorie burn. Let's go! Exercise 1. Jumping jacks. Begin by standing with your feet together and arms by your sides. Jump your feet apart while simultaneously raising your arms overhead, then jump back to the starting position. Keep repeating this motion for 30 seconds. Awesome work! Now let's move on to the next exercise. Exercise 2. High knees. Stand in place and quickly alternate lifting your knees as high as you can towards your chest. Pump your arms in sync with your knee lifts. Keep going for 30 seconds. You're doing great. Keep pushing yourself. Exercise 3. Mountain climbers. Get into a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart and core engaged. Alternate bringing your knees towards your chest as if you're climbing a mountain. Keep the pace up for 30 seconds. You're almost there. Keep giving it your best effort. Exercise 4. Squat jumps. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and lower into a squat position. Explosively jump up into the air, reaching for the ceiling, and land softly back into a squat. Repeat for 30 seconds. You're crushing it. Keep up the good work. Exercise 5. Burpees. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower into a squat, place your hands on the floor, and kick your feet back into a plank position. Quickly jump your feet back towards your hands and then explode into a jump with your arms overhead. Repeat for 30 seconds. You're almost done. Keep pushing yourself till the end. Now, let's take a few minutes to cool down and stretch our muscles to bring our heart rate back to normal and prevent soreness. Start with some gentle movements like slow walking in place or easy marching to bring your heart rate down gradually. Then move on to static stretches for major muscle groups like your hamstrings, quadriceps, calves, and shoulders. Hold each stretch for about 15 to 30 seconds and remember to breathe deeply. Awesome job! You've completed the 10-minute fat-burning HIIT workout for beginners. Remember to always listen to your body and modify the exercises as needed. Consistency is key, so try to incorporate HIIT workouts like this into your fitness routine a few times a week for best results. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this workout, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness and wellness videos. And don't forget to leave us a comment below on how you feel after this workout. Stay healthy and fit. See you in the next video.